Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So you can see this is officially website. So first step you have to come to this website gigabyte.com www.gigabyte.com, and then you can see this search box. Click on this and then enter your model number of motherboard H610M D3H DDR4 and then hit enter. And then click on this. Okay. Then click to support. Now you can see this is your motherboard. So select your operating system, which is Windows 10, 11 and 10 32-bit. If you use any Windows 10 and 11, but installations process same. Select audio driver. Now you can see this is Realtek audio driver, and you can just click to download or try to this one download. After that you can start downloading. I already downloaded 165 and just open and then double click to exe. This is extracted, so you have to double click. After that ask for administrator rights. Click on yes. Now this is extracting. So it will close automatically, means this is installed. Then it is done and close it. Chipset driver. So first download Intel serial driver. Click to download. So it is downloaded and click to open and double click to exe. Then click to yes. After that you can see extract automatically and start for downloading, installing. And then close means this is installed. After that install this one Intel NFF. Okay, just click download. Same downloaded. Open this and then double click to exe. Then yes. So it is done and close. LAN driver, the Realtek audio driver, and click to download. So it is already download this one LAN driver. We click to open, then double click to exe. Then click on yes. So guys, it is closed automatically, means this is installed and then closed. VGA driver. So this is Intel VGA driver and click to download. It will take some time to download. Then it is done, and just single click to open, and after that this is exe. So after that double click to launch. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting. Then it is automatically closed, means this is installed.